In this lecture, we learn to make your whole resume but make it stronger with quick, targeted edits without rewriting the whole thing. These are the kind of tweaks that improve keyword matching, show more confidence, and make your resume easier to scan for both the ATS and the recruiter. Sometimes, changing one verb or reordering one line can turn a maybe into a yes. Lecture objectives. By the end of this lecture, you'll be able to replace weak or vague language with stronger, more specific terms. Edit bullet points to include relevant keywords. Focus on verbs and results that show impact. Make small changes that boost your match rate without rewriting from scratch. Replace passive verbs with active verbs. Let's start with verbs. These are the first words recruiters scan when they skim your experience section. So skip words like helped, worked on, or responsible for. Instead, use action verbs that show what you did and what changed. For example, instead of writing helped with presentations for client pitches, replace it with developed presentation materials for client meetings. It's the same task, but the second version sounds proactive and includes an action verb and the keyword client. Add context and results. You don't need a long story, just a little detail showing what you achieved and how your work had an impact. Add numbers, tools, timeframes, or outcomes wherever possible. For example, avoid vague sentences such as manage social media. Instead, write scheduled and posted weekly content on Instagram and LinkedIn, increasing engagement by 25% in 3 months. In the second version, one line gives context, tools, platform names, and results. It's full of ATS-friendly keywords and shows value. Match keywords without sounding robotic. This is where most people go wrong. They copy words from the job description and cram them into their resume even if they don't fit. Don't do that. Instead, edit what you already have to reflect the role genuinely. Example: handled customer issues over the phone. Job ad says customer support, conflict resolution, CRM tools. Edited version: resolved customer issues through phone and email using CRM software. Improved customer satisfaction scores by 15%. You kept the task that was already in your resume, added keywords, and now it's human-readable and machine-friendly. Reorder for relevance. Sometimes all the right experience is already on your resume, but the most relevant part is buried. Simply moving your strongest bullet points to the top of each section can make it easier for the ATS to spot key terms quickly and boost your match score. Think of your resume like a story. You want your best moments up front, where they will catch attention. Recap. Quick wins checklist. Use action verbs. Add metrics or outcomes where possible. Reflect real keywords from the job ad. Reorder bullet points for impact. Stay honest, stay readable. Remember, these edits don't take hours, but they change how your resume reads and ranks.